Hello kids, nice to see you again in my house.
Hello, boys and girls! Look, I'm eating the candies that we have counted. Can you hear that noise? What is it? Oh, there is a plane! And it is throwing something out.
Let's run and see what is it.
Yeah, let's run! Look, kids, these are numbers!
Yes, I know some of them.
Kids, let's check. What number is it, Harvey?
It's 11.
Let's repeat. 11, 11, 11. What number is it?
It's 12.
Okay. 12, 12, 12. What number is it?
It's 13.
13, 13, 13. Great job. What number is it?
It's 14.
14, 14, 14. Super. What number is it?
It's 15.
15, 15, 15. Super. What number is it, Harvey?
I don't know, Lili. Can you tell us?
Okay, it's 16. 16, 16, 16.
Yes, 16, 16, 16. And what number is it?
It's 17.
17, 17, 17. What number is it?
It's 18.
18, 18, 18. What number is it?
It's 19.
19, 19, 19. What number is it?
It's 20.
20, 20, 20.
Super, great job. Harvey, let's take these numbers to your house.
Great idea, Lili. See you next time, kids.
Bye-bye.